let's look at how to connect your eBay store to Printful. Before connecting the two platforms, you'll need to create accounts on both. So if you're not a Printful user, go to our website and create your free account. And then do the same with eBay. There's a link for both in the description below. After you've created your eBay account, you'll need to link it to your PayPal account. You can do that by pressing Link My PayPal Account from the My Account page, located here. Fill in the necessary details and confirm your phone number and log in with your PayPal account. After that, you need to activate your eBay seller account. If you're a new member and don't have any active listings, you'll need to create the first listing on your eBay store before connecting to Printful. Simply create a mock listing you can delete later. This way, you'll activate the identity verification for your eBay seller account. To do that, on the eBay homepage, press Sell in the top right corner. Next, press Advanced Tools and press Switch. Next, let's select our category. Press here. This will open up the listing settings in a new window. So fill in all the details and press List Item. You'll then see this window appear where you need to verify your identity. Select a method more appropriate for you and finish the process. You'll then be returned back to your listing and can delete it if you want. Once that's done, head to My Account. Press the Personal Information tab and click on Update your automatic payment method. In the next window, select PayPal and then log in with the same PayPal account you used to link your eBay account with. Agree to the terms and conditions and wait for it to load. Then continue to PayPal. You'll be redirected back to your eBay account page. Now, log into your Printful account. In the dashboard, select Stores, and then choose Platform, located here. On the next page, you'll see a list of platforms we integrate with. Under the eBay tab, press Connect to get to the next page that has a step-by-step guide on the process. Here, press the Connect to eBay button. Sign in with your active eBay seller account on this eBay page. Here, grant the application access to Printful by pressing Agree. You'll be taken back to Printful's Connect page, where we can continue to Step 2. Create a brand name that will appear on your eBay products. I'll call it Printful Video Shop. Next, type in your PayPal email address, the same one you linked to your eBay account. You can leave the next tab unchanged since it has 5 days set by default. Press Continue. We have automatically filled in all the necessary settings here, so you can skip steps 3 to 7 by simply pressing Continue. And now both platforms have been connected. Before we add our first product, let's hop back to the eBay account. Press the Site Preferences, located here. And under the Payment from Buyers, you'll see the Use Sales Tax table. Let's edit it. If you do charge tax in other states, fill out this table before adding products, because all the products that you're going to list will have sales tax charged according to this sales tax table. We strongly recommend you consult a tax specialist on your specific situation, because depending on where you're located, you might have different tax obligations you need to meet. Now let's return back to Printful and add our first product. Currently, our eBay integration is exclusive to all POD products and can't be used for warehousing and fulfillment items. Hit Add Product and you'll see our products. We'll add a men's shirt today. Note that only one item can be appointed to a single listing on eBay. There's a 35-cent listing fee for each listing, which will be charged immediately once the listing is posted. However, as a new user, you'll get a limited amount of 0 insertion fee listings. When adding your first product, you won't be charged for it. To find out more about the listing, check the link to our FAQs in the description box below. I've selected my shirt and now it's time to add a design. I'll upload a design from our sample files by clicking here. When uploading your own design, pay attention to the print file guidelines. Press Proceed to Mockups. Here you can select the main mockup image that will be displayed on your store as the product photo and choose between its final formats. Then hit Proceed to Descriptions, where you can personalize the product description. Also in this window, you can add or remove the size guide to your product description. For this example, we'll leave it as is. You'll notice the shipping cost information that appears on the bottom. It contains the default Printful shipping costs that have been taken from our shipping speeds and pricing page. We'll leave a link to it in the description below. Once you're satisfied with your choices, move over to pricing by pressing here. Here you can see Printful's price for the product. You can edit the retail price simply by setting the amount of profit you want to gain. Let's say you want your profit to be $8. So set it here, and the retail price automatically changes. Note that eBay charges 10% final value fee on every product sold, so set your profit accordingly. Next, let's edit the quantities. On this page, you can see the list of items that you're about to publish to your store. If you have selected multiple t-shirt variants, like color and sizes, you have the last chance to update it according to your listing amount before the item is published as a listing to your eBay store. Press Submit to Store. Just like that, we created our first listing. You can see how it looks by pressing View in eBay located here. You can read more on our eBay FAQ located on our Printful homepage. As you just saw, it's super easy to connect eBay with Printful and create your own business, so get started today.